right, what's going on? It's Tim and Justin here, A4 Outdoors.
How you doing?
All right, and I want to show you, this is an 8-gang switch from KEMIMOTO. This is, of course, Justin's new X3. So we put all the accessories and all that good stuff on it, and it's got a lot of electronics from KEMIMOTO. So I'm going to show you where he mounted and kind of what it does and what he's ran to it to control all of his whips and light bars and radio and all that good stuff. So, all right, what he did is he got the KEMIMOTO tablet holder that goes there. So instead of, he's got his head unit for his radio that's mounted down here. So normally that's probably where you would put it. You could put it here, you could mount it and kind of get in the way if you mount it here. But what he's done is taken it inside here and mounted it to the floor, and then you can still put some stuff back here and have your little spot open and everything. So it runs straight from your battery. The nice thing about it, everything's got a fuse of its own. So you have one main panel and you have one wire that runs to that, and that controls everything. So basically you wire all your accessories straight to that one panel, and then from there it just controls everything here. So you don't have to run multiple toggle switches, which, you know, your factory toggle switches takes about everything on the dash, because he's got smart shocks and everything. So, but anyway, basically he's got, let's see, you've got your light bar, your radio, your whips, and then you've got your electronic exhaust dump that's kind of on there too. So
I got the winch wired in.
Yeah, the winch is wired in there, so you actually turn the winch on and then you can control it. That way the light's not on or whatnot. So you don't, you know.
And another cool thing about this switch is you can just hit the center button and it'll put what was up last. So if you had everything on, once you cut it off, they all cut off. You hit the center button, they all come back. So you don't have to.
Oh, so you don't have to turn them on and off at one time.
You don't have to pick them all at one time. Yeah.
Sweet.
Very cool.
So you just hit, like your radio, you hit that power button and you control your radio. It turns the power onto the radio, and of course your light bar comes on and everything.
So if you stop, you know, mid-ride at night and you had your light bar and whips and everything on, instead of, you know, when you cut it off, it cuts off. You cut it on, you don't have to select everything.
It just kicks it right back on.
Right back like
okay. So and when you crank it, it gives power to that. You just hit the power button and everything turns back on.
Correct.
And it's lit at night. That way you can see it and everything. So it's just a nice setup to where you don't have to run a bunch of different toggle switches, because you run out of room. I mean, you got like 2 here, and then like you said, your factory ones are already taken right here. Then you've got 1 here and then 2 on that side is about it. So that you're talking about 3 extra accessories you can run there. This way you can run up to 8 to just one spot. You don't have to take up any of your other stuff. So definitely cool. Controls. These are lighted mirrors from KEMIMOTO also. Just haven't tucked the wires in yet. Kind of
getting to that.
You know. But anyway, last minute ride. We took off up here. So
yeah, got this.
But yeah, nice battle scar first thing right off the bat. So how you liking X3 so far?
It's nice, man. It's nice. It's really plush ride. It's a little different getting used to with the length of it, but it is a superior ride.
Cool, man. All right, well, check out. I'll put a link in the description for the 8-gang panel. Definitely recommend it. It's sweet. You can run everything to it, and then you can, you know, fancy it up however you want to mount it and stuff like that. So, but if this video was helpful, click a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.